Alright everybody, this is what we're going to do now. It's a new day, we're back making these flag holders, little display cases. So now that we got, this is the back of it, now that we got our little slot cut out, turn it around here, we're going to go and work on cutting out our little backing plate. So this is what it looks like. So we got the back in there. I just got some, it's glued in, got some painter's tape so have minimal glue exertion to sand off later. But there's going to be some gaps right there where the backing plate goes in and the body. So probably going to take some wood putty or something to fill all that mess, get it nice and smooth. Alright, it's a new day. Next thing we're going to do, picked up some plexiglass from Hobby Lobby. We're going to make our little window panes for the front piece. So let's cut them out. Alright, so we got the first one cut out. Nice and organized there. Yeah, I've been taking my chisel. And since all this was hand routed, it was like not even and straight, so I've been taking my chisel and cleaning everything up so this fits in there nice and perfectly. But yeah, that's one down. And we got two more to go. So we'll knock out the rest of these and I'll get back with you. Alright everybody, it's Justin here. As I finish up this last piece, just to let y'all know, this is probably going to be the end of the video. Got a little bit more done, I got some hinges put on, but my GoPro died, so wasn't able to get any video of that. But here, probably tomorrow, whenever I video some more, I'll take a little snapshot of what we got done and what kind of explain what else we have left to do. But we're getting pretty close. So I think we're just gonna have to put on some stain and some finish after we get done sanding, and that should be about it. So